Hello guys, this is Napons, the sales managers from Bingo Welding Equipment Company, which focus on research and development welding machine. Today, I will take you to explore the oceans of Bingo technology. Okay, let's go. Bingo welding machines mainly produce TIG, MIG, cut, sort, and so on welding machine. At the same time, we produce new models every year. In my next videos, I will take you through difference between Bingo welding machines and another welding machines. I will meet you in my next video. See you guys.